Okay guys, so we're in my garage and this just got delivered a few days ago. I know that's the AKORN Kamado, but I don't know what that is. And I bought the lump charcoal mesquite. So we're gonna put this together right now, and I gotta do it in the garage because it's still kind of rainy outside, and so we're gonna put it together in here. I'll show you how easy it is, and then we're gonna take it out in the backyard. We're gonna cook something today. Let's open this little box first. What's in this little box? Well, that's what was in that box. It's a charcoal starter. Some call them chimneys. And it's pretty cool. You squeeze the handle and the bottom will fall out. So it just releases right out the bottom. That's a big one too. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you can take what was in box number 1 or you can trade it for box number 2. Well, I'm going to see what's in box number 2 no matter what. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. It's bags of air. Unbelievable. Oh, wait. No, it's not. There's something better in here. Let's see what it is. Oh, man, look at that. It's all coming together now. Char-Griller adjustable fire grate. So I can lower it, get closer to the heat if I need to. Oh, baby. Yes, it is Christmas. I've never had a rib rack. And I probably have it upside down. Okay, so the good news is that is upright. That's for ribs. And look at this. You can flip it this way, and it's for roasting a roast. I might do a prime rib in there. I got a prime rib in the freezer waiting to be cooked. Okay, just got the adjustable Fit Apron from Char-Griller. Also in box number 2, a premium grill cover. So I'll show you that once we put the whole unit together. We'll cover it and put it outside on the back deck, and you get to see the whole thing in its entire beauty. Also in box number 2 is a pizza stone. Look at this. Beautiful pizza stone in there. I'm not going to take it out right now because I'm going to do a pizza episode. And there it is, of course, a smoking stone. If you look, what's going to happen is it just prevents direct heat. So the heat gets deflected around the perimeter of the cooking device. A smoking stone. Turn your AKORN into a convection oven. And now it's time to open the big box. The big boy. Here it is. Okay, it's all out of its box. Let's see how quickly and easily I can put this together. So that's the only tool that's not included to put this together. It's a 7/16. They call it a nut driver, but it's really a 7/16 socket at the end of a screwdriver handle. Okay, so I put the box over there and I got everything laid out. I got the major parts up close. So that's probably the base. Anyway, I'll figure it out as I go. But I got the major parts on the inside. I've got your grill pieces on the outside a little bit. And then I've got your small stuff on a little TV tray here. All your little plates and your small pieces are on this TV tray. The wheels are a lifesaver because I'm going to need to wheel this into the backyard. And then I got all my little screws and tools and everything. Okay guys, so I got the legs and the bottom on. I'm going to do the wheels next. But basically, I got to tell you, it wasn't hard except for putting that lower shelf on. You might need a second person to hold it in place as you try and put the screws in. So that part's done. Now let's start working on the top and the inside. Look at that, guys. It's all done. All put together. Shelves, all the cooking racks, the fire bowl, the warming rack, the dome. Look at this. There's your thermostat right there. That's nice. That went together in about, by myself, and I don't put stuff together. It took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Okay, so I did a lot of watching of videos on how to start this, and I really didn't find anything crystal clear about it. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's what I'm looking at. Is that the same size as that? Yeah. Okay, so here's a clue. My chimney is the same size as that center hole. So I'm guessing that that center hole is removable so that I can pull that out and just drop my coals in there. That's what I'm guessing. So first thing I'm going to do is start a fire. All right, so I got it all open now. So now I'm gonna start a fire, dump it in here, put the stone in to deflect the heat so I can smoke in this, and then put the grill on. That's how I'm gonna do it. All right, let's get started. Okay, for filming purposes, I have it on this glass table, but what I'm gonna do is once I'm done lighting this, I'm gonna place it on the hard surface. I don't want it on the glass, but you want it something below it that can handle the heat while it's burning the wood. So here's the chimney starter. I have newspaper down under here, and I've got my lump charcoal right there, and we're gonna get it started. So let's light it up. There we go. Okay, so it's starting to smoke, so that's a good sign. Let's see if we can't get this baby going. So if you're gonna light one of these things, warn the neighborhood, because it's smoking up a storm all over. My whole deck is full of smoke right now. All right, still burning pretty good though. All right, as you can see now, it's all the wood is lit. You can see the flames coming out of the top. So we're gonna let that continue to burn. Okay, we're about, what, 6 minutes in, I think? And it's going pretty good right now. All right, well, I'm waiting for that to do its thing. I got my smoker stone, Char-Griller AKORN smoker stone, and that's gonna sit right in here. You can see the 3 spots to rest it in. We're gonna set that in a minute. Make sure you got your hot hands gloves, so when you set this over the hot coals, you don't burn yourself, because that's gonna be pretty raging. All right, here we go. I'm bringing it over here like a video game. Look, one hand's filming, one hand's setting it in. The beauty is I got this handle that I'm gonna squeeze. Is gonna drop it in. Watch this. Get my fingers around it. There we go. Ready? Just squeeze the handle. I'm gonna use the chimney to spread that out a little bit. There we go. And now grab our stone. We're gonna set that in here. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. Put the centerpiece in. All right, so now we have the stone, the grate. Now we're gonna close it, and we're gonna open the vents a little bit here. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna set this to what? What are we setting this to? To 1 1.25. Okay, so let's see what we got. We got smoke coming out. What's the temperature? Okay, temperature is nothing yet, so we're gonna heat this up. I got the latch closed on it. I got the vent. Let's open the vent a little bit more. All right, I got it holding under 250, so I'm gonna start cooking it. I'm still gonna watch the temperature and play with the vents a little bit, get used to where it needs to be. But I gotta get the meat on. It's time to put it on. Come here, baby. Come to daddy. All right. Come on. There we go. Sizzle. All right, let's close it up. Keep the heat in. Nice. Beautiful. I am going to be a little honest, guys. The first hour, me and the AKORN wrestled. We had to work together to get the right temperature. There's a thing called a sweet spot, and I found it, and it's interesting. It's totally different. If you've done wood pellets, this is completely different. This is hands-on. It's really cool. I expect it to come out amazing. We're going to peek at the meat right now. Here we go. Going to open the latch. Man, it stayed at 250. Look at it. It's right at 250 still. Look at that. All right, let's see this beauty. And, all its glory and beautifulness. Outer crust is nice and barky. Beautiful. Okay, I can't wait any longer. It honestly felt like it was going to come apart. Here's the bone right here. You can always tell, ow, when you burn yourself, because it hurts. You can always tell when it's cooked really well and it's really tender, because that happens. It comes right off the bone. Look at that. Beautiful. Just falling apart. Oh, my mouth is salivating. You ready? Hold on. I might be wrong. Hang on a minute. That's perfect. As soon as I put this on the cutting board, it's just going to fall apart, I could tell. All right, I'm going to have this for dinner. You guys, thanks for watching the show. Thank you, Char-Grillers, for sending that to us. A Kamado is the proper pronunciation. I'm probably still saying it wrong, but it doesn't matter because it cooks amazing. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.